for people to defy police when they summon. The public will lose confidence in courts that issue warrants of arrest. Taxpayers' money that has been used to trace him, arrest him, and arraign him here. Who meets that cost? With the burden of heavy taxation on Kenyans, their tax should be used prudently. Not somebody who does not respect the court, doesn't respect the police. So very firm instructions from my client to oppose the lifting of the warrants, to oppose him being entered into Kashmir. The investigating officer needs to take the dog on oath to explain to this court, kindly, Your Honor, protect the integrity of these proceedings as the DPP takes time to make a decision over the complaint. The judicial process under your guard we urge you to invoke the independence of the judiciary, deal with the suspect within the confines of a warrant of arrest. An attempt was done by the advocates to lift the warrant, and the instructions from my client were very clear. The warrants were not against an advocate. And we have still firm instructions. One, did he disobey lawful orders by the police? To bring that out. Does he have a fixed abode so that he's being released to where? The prevailing report needs to tell us whether he's fit to be released on Kashmir. The fact that the DPP has deferred plea taking, a charge sheet has been registered. He's no longer under the control of the DPP or the police. This is a serious public interest matter. This is not money for laundering or money laundering or illicit money. It is money for international merchants. MasterCard, Visa card, UBA Bank. All these, as Kenya is trying, the president is trying to bring this country into an international hub for business. From the notes here that they will not raise any issue, may you get favor in my submissions. To be at Parliament for Pastor Ezekiel's matter. So, time is running. Ezekiel is waiting for us. Just throw in the towel.
Your President's position to try and blackmail you. So he's telling you the president is trying to improve the economy, please deny this man bond. Because the president wants to improve the economy. That president is not here today. That president does not know Kome Kirimi. They will never meet. Perhaps in future. But right now, an application has been made to deny the accused person bond without any affidavit, without any documentation, without any formal application being made by either the prosecution or by the advocate watching brief. And if we are going to talk about law, let us start with that one. What do they have here? They have nothing. The prosecutor clearly, very clearly, has indicated to this court, at this stage, they have no objection to bail. That by itself means what exactly then? Means that he has spoken to that investigating officer that is being invited to the dock, means that he has spoken to the investigating team. And that means then, they have reason to believe that the accused person does not need to be denied bond. So then what happens? The law says, when an accused person or a suspect has been brought to court, he is entitled to bond. Unless the prosecution, I will repeat, unless the prosecution wants to object, and they shall give reasons. Mr. Omari, is he a prosecutor? Your Honor,
I almost became the deputy.
He almost became and they threw him out. But Your Honor, he is not. Maybe they feared him. It is the prosecution that is in the try to circumvent it. And that one comes in under Article 49, H or G. Those two. So then, you must then bring what you call compelling reasons. I will start with what my colleague has said, Mr. Omari. That probably my client is a flight risk. Your Honor, if you are to believe such a statement, just a statement like that, then you have what we call the sky as the limit. Because any imagination, any saying, any creation like this one shall come about. Person who this law protects. And this one comes under fundamental rights. These fundamental rights are not there for the sake of. They were not made just to be looked at and read and left aside. They are made so that you can protect such persons from extremes of the state or extremes like my friend from Shakahola, Mr. Omari.